Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers 2-pole super smoother filter. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers 2-pole super smoother filter. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested 332 indicators, and out of those 332 indicators, 136 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 136 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is Ehlers 2-pole super smoother filter. You can see it here on screen. Looks very similar to like a moving average, and you can see that it switches colors from red to green, and as it does that, it also paints the bars red and green according to the color that it is currently in. And so when we get a red color or red bar candle, then we are going to go short. When we get a green color or a green candle, then we are going to go long. Pretty simple setup, not a whole lot to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so looks like we pick up a long signal right here on this one, and that one's not going to work out for us too well. Almost immediately we get a strong push to the downside, and that one is going to do pretty decent. Measure that from the right point here, right there to right there. I'm not even sure if that's exactly the point. Yep. So that's the problem with any indicator that colors the bars a different color. You don't know whether it was a red bar or a green bar and or candle. Don't know why I keep calling it a bar, but don't know whether it was a red candle or a green candle, and so you don't know whether I'm measuring from the top or the bottom of it. Anyways, back to what we're doing here. Then we pick up a long signal right here on this one. Again, I don't know where I'm measuring from. There to there. Yep, that one's not going to work out for us. Definitely going to get us stopped out there. Then we pick up a short signal right here on this one. And of course, you can look at the coordinates if you hover over it. You can look at the open and the close to see whether or not it is a green candle or a red candle. But, you know, for the sake of time, it's easier to just look really quickly. Yep, that one's not going to work out for us either. Then we pick up a long right there, and it looks like this one's going to get us to take profit. I'll just measure out the top just to see. Yep, so even off the top, it did get us to take profit. Continue on with it here. Over here on this side, right here, we pick up a short. That one's going to get us to take profit as well. Over here, we pick up a long right there. That one's not going to get us to take profit pretty quickly. Get a strong reversal on that. Make sure I'm marking in the right colors. Add ants, going to get on me. All right, right color there. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and cut some of the video out here. That way this doesn't get too long, and I'll pick this up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and finish up these last couple of signals here. Let's see. So we pick up a short right there, and almost immediately we get this huge spike to the upside. Let's double check this here. Pulls back, but stays within our stop. Gets us to take profit there on that long signal. Then over here on this side, pick up a short right there. That one's definitely not going to get us to take profit there. And looks like last signal is going to be right there, long signal. And that one is going to get us to take profit as well. All right, so before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link down below to our Patreon. Once you sign up for that, you get access to the Patreon-only channel. On our Patreon-only channel, we have some really, really great advanced information on there that we're putting together, advanced conversations about trading and so on. Our admin, Jay, has also put together a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators for the MT platforms. Not all of them, but a good chunk of them he has found for the MT platform. So if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, then that would be a very handy list to get your hands on. Our admins and some of the regular members are also posting regular trade ideas. And so they're putting up charts where they mark up exactly where they're entering and exiting, taking profit, where support and resistance, and exactly why they're entering into those trades. And so if you're looking to kind of dial in a trading strategy, or if you're looking to just kind of train your eye to see those ideal market conditions, or if you just want to jump on some of those trades and see what you can do with them, highly recommend that you check that out. They are growing small accounts rather quickly. And here recently, we've been working on a project with another member to see about doing a more thorough test of the winning indicators. So the next step in the process will be to take all the winning indicators, the list of winning indicators, and start running them through a more thorough test of at least 100 tests, and then across multiple pairs. And so that is something we're putting together on a spreadsheet that I will also be sharing to the patrons. Some really, really early access exclusive material there. I guess not really exclusive, but early access material nonetheless. I'll eventually do videos on those, but not for a good while out still. Don't really have that planned yet. Still got quite a few indicators to test, but we're going to be kind of doing that, in parallel with testing indicators. And so you can have, like I said, early access, kind of sneak peek to that information. All right, so back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead and crunch this all in here like that. And let's count them out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. So we have 47 trade signals all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So 21 winning trades. And so that's not too far off from the 60% marker. I mean, it's not real close, but it's not too far off. We've had some that are a lot worse than this, but it's definitely not going to meet that 60% criteria. And so unfortunately, this one just kind of bounces around all over the place, throwing signals really unnecessary places. So yeah, this one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.